Hi, my name is Carolyn. This is my global image project. This is part 4. America is considered to be one of the most culturally diverse countries in the world. It is said to be and known as the melting pot. This is because of the many ethnic cultures, ethnic groups, cultures, and races. America practices inclusion, equality, and welcomes traditions and customs. As you can see in the American visual communication, everyone is given an equal opportunity to succeed in life. The colors are bright with straight lines and with a white background. Likewise, Brazil is also considered to be a melting pot. It too has a diverse population of races, cultures, and ethnic groups. Brazil is known for its innovations, strong Catholic belief system, and family structure. As you can see in the Brazilian visual communication, it shows a diverse group of individuals from a diverse background. The colors are vibrant, contrasted, and the background is red. Here you can see what I was talking about, the diverse group of individuals, the background, the vibrant colors that is in the Brazil image. And here you can see the straight lines, the yellow colors, the white background in the American image. Americans and Brazilians are not very different. When an American viewer sees the Brazil image, they will see themselves in the image. They will see a diverse group of individuals who are from different backgrounds, races, and ethnic groups. It is an image that will tell the story. Racism is not tolerated in Brazil. Likewise, when Brazilian viewers see the American image, it will tell the story. Equality is for everyone. Everyone has an opportunity to succeed in America. This now ends my presentation for part 4.